Recruitment process outsourcing. There are three types of RPOs offered by a company: enterprise RPO, project RPO, hybrid RPO. Now let's look at enterprise RPO. Embedding our talent experts within organizations. Live your culture and breathe your values. Enrich your employer brand. Transform your talent acquisition and recruitment strategy, building a winning workforce. Achieve your business goals and talent goals. Looking at a project RPO, our team will complement your in-house recruitment team deployed at on-site for short-term sourcing needs that are complex, high volume, and require exceptional handling. Project-based hiring assignments on a very short and strict timelines, focused on role and industry-specific activities. Hybrid RPO, it's an end-to-end outsourcing of permanent recruitment as well as contracts process from sourcing, selection and onboarding to attendance, payroll, compliances, L&D and much more. We will establish a robust contracting process to complement a client's permanent hiring. Seamlessly blend in contract staff with your permanent employees. Develop a holistic, less sliced approach. The process of RPO is explained here. It could be a campus entry level hiring, mid to senior level hiring, leadership and C-level hiring. A pan-India sourcing team, penetration into tier 2 and tier 3 cities, focused headhunting, networking, creating hackathons, job fairs, virtual drives, offline advertisements in TV, radio, newspapers, billboards. Social media hiring, including focused on LinkedIn and Facebook. New age job boards and traditional portals. Employee referral programs. Alumni network and internal database. The process of a recruitment process starts with technical assessments, includes screening, role and cultural mapping, interviews, scheduling and coordination, offer management, creation of offers, negotiations and follow-up, background verification and reference check, onboarding, orientation, induction programs, employee referral programs, training, upskilling and reskilling the talent acquisition team, talent strategy and consulting, which includes recruitment banding, proactive hiring, talent market mapping, sourcing channel optimization, talent pool building, forecasting and need planning, master service aggregator, workforce optimization. These are the value added services provided by the company. They have AI powered sourcing team, an interview video platform, online technical assessments, career site management, vendor management portal, mobile enabled L&D platform, recruitment BI analytics, 5 to 20% cost savings. The contract process outsourcing is an end-to-end management of contract staffing process. It starts with demand management, sourcing, screening, assessments, interviews and selection, negotiation, offer, release and follow-up, virtual onboarding and associate engagement, attendance, leaves and payroll, incentives and claims processing, invoices and collections, compliance and benefits, learning and development, agency management, neutral vendor services, people analytics and BI reporting. RPO implementation and transition. starts with initiation stage. We have execution, go live, early stage and stabilization. In the initialization stage, we have contract finalization, as is mapping, workflow design, implementation planning, recruitment, team planning and design, SLA definitions. Coming to execution part, we have requisition and job description review, recruiting team selection, technology and process adaptation, employment branding, communications and execution, SLA finalization. Next stage is go live, project launch, transition to RPO team, recruitment process automation, implement governance and reporting, measurement and analytics. In the early stage, post-launch correction, learning curve, address applicant flow, building talent pool, hiring manager and candidate satisfaction survey, tool adoption, delivery model adjustment. The stabilization stage, we achieve productivity and quality of hire in line with SLA targets, monitor vendor performance, ongoing evaluation and improvement, improve TAT of hiring, differentiated branding models. So there are few case studies which we will discuss later. Thank you for your time. This is a presentation on recruitment process outsourcing.